Hey, how's it going? As you can see here, I got my first box of Allen Ginter 2018. Topps Allen Ginter. Go ahead and rip into this right now. Here's the box. Usually try at least one a year. Some cool cards. There's also non-baseball in here, which I know gets some people upset. It's kind of like a has a bunch of wacky cards in it, but also some really cool baseball. So yeah, see what I get. See what I get this year. There are like glossy silver hot boxes or something, where all the base cards are, I think, glossy. See what I get in this one here. I do like Allen Ginter for its retro look. All right. I also like the rip cards. Those are fun. I usually end up ripping them. So let's see what my oversized box topper is. Get one of these per box as well. Nice, Cal Ripken Jr. It's pretty cool. Nice. Not a bad box topper there. Put this in the background. Very cool. Let's get going. So let's see what I get here. Wish me luck. All right, so up top we got Byron Buxton. Is that Byron? Yep, Byron. Mal. Jock Peterson. Joey Gallo. Chapman. Get one of these per pack. Mini card, Flags Lost Nations. Flags of Lost Nations, Hawaii. That's cool. World's Greatest Harbor Island, Biscotti. Let's get my stuff set up here on the side. All right. 3 hits per box. Any one of autograph card, relic, rip cards, printing plates, or book cards. Got a Trout up top. Olson, Croy, Hamels. Another flag card. New Grenada. Modern Catcher's Mitt. Of a baseball equipment of the ages. Neat. Cabrera. Riley. Let me find my other insert here. There we go. So I'm not sure what these Topps Home Run Challenge is here. I haven't looked into that at all. Let me put this over here a little easier. Canseco. Hicks, Contreras, Diaz, Josh Hader. 348. Magnificent Moons, Titan. That's cool. Ah, Tommy Wiseau. How do you say his name? Is it Wiseau? Not sure, but he's hilarious. Put this right here. Get Kinsler on the back and the Angels uniform. Babe Ruth. Ishek, Segura, Tommy. Cespedes. Different of a color of a border there. Nothing different on the back. Fantasy Goldmine wins above replacement 75.2. That's neat. Got a Puig. Pilar. All right. Frank Robinson. Brooks Robinson, sorry. Randy Johnson, Gohara, Acuna Jr. Marine National Monument. That's cool. Undersea Preserve. Fantasy Gold Mine Boggs. Ortiz, Almora. Mattingly, Bagwell, Franco, Piazza. And the mini of Ramirez dropped out. That is a A&G back. So each of these minis have sometimes special backs, or they're not numbered, or they're numbered by hand. Fantasy Gold Maya Garciparra. Ramirez, Van. Roger Maris, it's a cool card. Colors, Bomb Cyclone. Weather Phenomenon. Woodruff. Sickler, not sure who this guy is. Oh, Ryan Sickler, comedian. Another A&G back. Baseball Equipment of the Ages, Batting Machine Guard. Ozzy, yeah, Champ Peterson, Jock's brother. Awesome. Pedro Martinez, Bo Jackson, Santana, Williams. Not sure who this guy is. Looks like a soccer guy. Football. Magnificent Moons, I.O. Jupiter. Correa, Arnold Terra. Ian Happ. Scherzer, Anderson, Maeda, Arena, Chief Cornstalk, Indigenous Heroes, that's cool. World's Greatest Beaches, Paradise Island, Bob Gibson. Alright, got Xander Bogaerts. Yu Darvish, Cubs uniform. I don't know if there's any of him on Dodgers. He was there for so short. Simeon, Benintendi, Rogers. Looks like a game show champion. World Talent, Curacao. Jones. That's cool. Andrew Jones. Craig Kimbrell. Dick Gordon. Still no hits yet. Looks like I'm almost halfway to the end of the box, maybe. Adrian Beltre. Baez, Fulmar, Andujar. Merrifield. Is this a glow in the dark? It feels a little embossed. Yeah, I think this... No, there's something embossed right there. This might be a glow in the dark one. I feel it embossed on the border. I think that's another unannounced subset, I believe. Or these are glow in the dark. Let me put this underneath here, see if it looks like it's glow in the dark. Hard to tell, but it is cool. It's embossed, so I don't know if you can see that. Neat. World Talent Netherlands, Didi. Trevor Bauer. Josh Leake, Mike Leake. This one feels a little heavier, a little thicker. Tell. Johnny Bench, Smith, Greinke, Kipnis, Frank Thomas, Brazil, Kohara, Dawson, Zobrist. Alright, let's see. I think 9 packs left, as far as I can tell. Still no hits. Maybe there's a book in this one. Never gotten a book from Allen Ginter. Frank Thomas, Archer, Wainwright, Castro, Reggie Jackson, black bordered. So that's what the black borders look like. That's cool. Ganymede, Innocent Mood from Jupiter, Garcia, Didi, Gregorius. Never gotten any super mega hits out of Allen Ginter. Robles, Lindor, Marte, Gonzalez, Justin Turner, Pollock, ING back, Rotan, World's Greatest Beaches, Garcia. But I have gotten some nice, I think I did end up selling, there was a numbered red card, red auto, I think, of a Topps employee sale a couple years ago. Will Clark. Seen him lately in any releases. Newfoundland. Baseball Donut. Cisco and Shaw. Still no hits left. Looks like they might all be on the bottom. Kind of getting towards the end here. Goldschmidt, Murphy, McDonald. Oh, looks like I got a Baez something. Reggie Jackson. Just a relic. Whoop. It's alright. At least it's of a decent player. Neat. Put that over here. Fantasy Gold Mine, George Brett. Ernie Banks. Okay, Andrelton Simmons, Chris Davis, Lou. Oh, we got a redemption. Fulmer. No idea what redemptions are in here, so let's go ahead and move this around. Didn't see what it was. Hopefully you guys didn't. Cobb, Ty Cobb, Willie Calhoun, Mejia. Let's see what it is. Frame mini auto of Tyronn Lue. Not sure who that is. Not sure. Doesn't sound like a baseball player that I know of. So it might be kind of a wacky auto there. I'm not sure. So that's 2 hits. 1 left. We got 4 packs. Ozuna. Ted Williams. Sanchez. Oh, we got another hit here. It's reversed. Oh, kind of saw what it was. Darn it. Clemente, Richards, there's the hit, Blackman. Oops, Charlie Blackman. Little piece of purple pinstripe there. Ozuna, Tip Williams, and Sanchez. And then Moustakas dropped out there. Alright, oh, actually there's more than 3. It's actually quite a bit. Odor, Schmaltz, Kingery, Altuve, Jones, black bordered Joe Mauer, Venice Beach, Justin Bour. 5 packs left. Felix Hernandez, Ozzy Albies, Stevens, Aaron, Barrera Mini, AG back, Gope, South Africa, Gifton Gope, Gurriel and Stuttgart. Looks like Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. Kershaw, Caratini, Arrieta, Strawberry, Black Border Gahara, Modern Bet, bullpen car, Dave Winfield bullpen car. It's hilarious. For those lazy pitchers on those hot days. Cespedes, Gray, Lecomte, Cruz, Scherzer. Japan, you got Darvish, Bouchard, Rizzo. Second to last pack. Manny Margot, Rodon, Evans, Mauer, Chris Davis. and G-back. The Moon, Magnificent Moons. Kenley Jansen, Ryan Braun, and the last pack. Got Mike Stanton, Reese Hoskins, Ryan Clayto. Oh, look at that. Oh, here's one of those home run challenge cards. Oh, you can scratch this off and do some sort of promotion. That's cool. Yulieski Gurriel, Cunha Jr., Lindsey Vaughn. So there we go. Pretty fun. It's always a fun break for me. Here are the hits. Charlie Blackmon relic. Frame mini auto of Tyronn Lue, which by the way, I did not get any of his base cards, his or her. I can't tell by Tyrone. It might be Tyrone. And then Javi Baez. So that's cool. It's a fun break. My home run challenge was of Arenado. It's cool. Thanks for watching this one box break of 2018 Topps Allen Ginter. Catch y'all later. Peace.